Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I would like to highlight to you a really nice tool called Reap. You still have a chance, 2 days actually, to grab this one. You can give long form video, or a video from YouTube, and get short form viral clips. And before we proceed, I must say that this tool provides only 30 days refund window because I think the processing is resources heavy and 2 months is too much here. But anyway, 30 days, it is enough time to test this tool fully. And also, this tool provides ability to choose between 3-year plan and lifetime access. And let's scroll down. Usually I would say that lifetime deal is always better, but maybe not in this case, because 3-year plan will cost you $189 with 10 AI clipping hours per month. And 10 AI clipping per month on a lifetime deal will cost you around $110 more. However, we are talking here about AI tool, and 3 years is a lot. I think less than 3 years ago, we've got ChatGPT. So we can't say what will happen in 3-year period. So in this case, to save some money, I think this plan could be a better option. So let's go straight to the tool. I have uploaded the 10-minute recap of recent Google I/O event. We can see it here. And actually, I've asked to generate me short form clips. You will be able to select from different style of generated captions. You get the viral score, the scripts for social media, and yeah, let's take a look.
I got 2.5 Pro to code me a simple web app. Someone comes to you with a brilliant idea. I'm going to add in a prompt that asks 2.5 Pro to update my code based on the image. And here's what Gemini generates.
Okay, that's the first one. Just few more examples.
Introducing Google Beam, a new AI-first video communication.
Let's check another one.
We are introducing an all-new AI mode. It's a total reimagining of search with more advanced.
I think it is capturing pretty interesting moments at the right time.
We're building Android XR.
Right now, you should be seeing exactly what I'm seeing through the lens of my Android XR.
And another one.
I'm particularly excited about the rapid model progress. And today, Gemini 2.5 Pro sweeps the LM Arena leaderboard in all categories.
Okay, so you get the idea. I think these are pretty nice clips. And moreover, you will be able to edit your videos. For example, you can change the styling of the captions. You will be able to add segments, delete segments. I think you will be able to remove the script. Yep, as I just did. And let's test removing parts of the video. So now, well, we have 2 options, remove caption and remove video. Let's remove that. Yeah, that's great. That removed part of the video, and I think it will work in the middle as well. Yep, I think that's a great feature. There are some additional settings. Choose the orientation. Well, yeah, I think overall, Reap is a great tool. If you need to generate viral videos, this is a really nice one. And it will work better in a presentation video, maybe in a talking video, in my review style desktop recording videos. Maybe it is not the best choice, but in other scenarios, as we just saw in a presentation style video, these two generated pretty good clips. So yeah, to get Reap, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.